Let's meet Mr. Daniel, working in a small MNC in Irving, Texas. He had to travel daily into public transports during rush office time, which is quite exhausted for him. Sometimes due to the delay of this transport, he reached late at office. So, he was searching for the most convenient traveling option that offered prompt service at affordable prices. At the meantime, one of his office colleagues shared his experience with Texas Yellow Cab and Checker taxi service. While searching online about their customers' reviews, Mr. Daniel found that it is a leading cab service provider in Texas, specialized in offering door-to-door transportation with 24/7 dispatching. Their vehicles are well cleaned, air-conditioned and regularly inspected to ensure passengers' safety and comfort. Their well-trained, courteous drivers always took the best possible shortcut routes so that their passengers can reach the destination on time. So, without wasting his time, he immediately dialed 817-881-6863 and booked a ride according to his requirement. Now he is one of the most satisfied passengers of Texas Yellow Cab and Checker taxi service. Are you looking for the same? Book a ride now from there. Browse through https://bigtexascabs.com/ for more details.